Hello everyone. In this video we'll give you a walkthrough of running the helmet violation and triple riding application using the Awiros OS on any given video. So to start with, we log in to the Awiros dashboard. So this is how the Awiros dashboard looks like, and we have a lot of things over here. We have the resources summary, we have the hardware utilization by any application. So to run any application on any given camera, we head over to something called as the app orchestrator. App orchestrator allows you to run any number of video analytic applications on any given cameras or videos. So what you're seeing on the top row is the AI applications, and what you're seeing on the left hand side column is the video sources on which you'll be running these applications. So each cell over here represents a channel representing the combination of an application and camera. The cells which have been colored in white basically represent applications for which certain configuration has been set. For now, we're only interested in helmet detection and triple riding application. So the first thing for running an application is to configure the application based on what your goal is. Right now the apps have already been configured, but the configuration is very basic, and for the helmet detection application the only configuration that an end user has to do is set something called as the score, which is 0.3 for now. This score basically represent how confident you want the AI software to be of a particular violation before sending an alert. So now 0.3 means that whenever the AI software is 30% sure that this particular person has violated the rule of wearing a helmet, then we'll get an alert, and then of course you can manually filter out if there are some wrong detections as well. So for now, once the configuration is done, we simply select the camera source. So we first, right, so now I'll be running the applications on one particular video. To start with, I run the camera streaming cell, which basically starts getting camera feed from any selected camera. Then I select the application which I want to run. In this case, I'll be running both the helmet detection and the triple riding application together. So I click on start, and in the backend it starts running. It probably takes a few seconds to load it up initially, and we get a notification saying that the app has started. So now we can head over to the timeline where we'll be able to see a live view of the camera. So as a particular biker passes and a particular alert is generated, you can see them in the side appearing over here. So you can see the particular person has been caught for violating the helmet rule, and we get the label and we get a particular score as well. Similarly, for triple riding, you can see the results on the same particular video, and it's important to note how difficult it is to actually recognize that there are three people sitting on this bike, because in generally the person sitting in the middle is partially visible and is occluded, and in this case as well the person in the front is normally hard to recognize when you're looking from a top view. So you can also see the alerts in the app section, where you'll have the alerts segregated according to the app. You can check them on an hourly basis or a 5-minute basis or a daily basis, and you can see the alerts populating over here in real time. And similarly for no helmet as well, you get the confidence for each, and this is something you can vary according to what the project goals are. So also over here, once a particular violation is caught, n number of integrations are possible. We can run a separate ANPR, automatic number plate recognition modules as well, to read the number plate from this particular camera. We can generate e-challans, and multiple integrations are possible depending again on the project requirements, which are very easy to execute as well. And finally, in the stats section, you will be able to see an analysis of the activity of each app, how many alerts were being generated. So it's a good thing to know that, let's say on a particular day you noted helmet violations were extremely high, and on some particular days some particular violations were pretty less, which could help enforce appropriate security regulations as well. So all of this metadata is very easily available to consume. So with that, we reach the end of the walkthrough session for helmet and triple riding application.